Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to set public group in Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin and first open up Telegram. On Telegram, just open up a group where you are an admin, and after that you can hit right here at your group profile picture or right there where it says group, so actually that is a group name. That opens up group settings. In settings, right here, you can tap on edit, and then you can right here easily find group type. By default it's set to private. Any group that you create by default is private. Private groups can only be joined if you were invited or have an invitation link. If you want anyone to be able to find your group in search and join it, you can make your group public in that simple way. Public groups can be found in search, chat history is available to everyone and anyone can join. After that, you have to create username for your group. In that field, that's actually a URL t.me/ and here you can enter anything that you want. I'll just type in text group. Keep in mind that group name has to be unique because you actually creating a unique URL now, so I'll just add here some random digits to show you how it works. And right now, on the last step, you can restrict saving content from this group. If you want to restrict saving content, just hit right here at that switcher to enable that feature. I'll keep it off. So now I can hit on done, and now my group is public. You can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist where you can find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.